All right, so in today's edition of Where in the World Are Andrew and Zyla, who wants to take a guess? Spin around and show them where we are. Yay! That's right. This is the last setup day of the Consumer Electronics Show in Las Vegas. And let's take a walk. You're not following me. You should follow me. So why are we here at the Consumer Electronics Show? Well, as a lot of you know, we became a national 501c3 nonprofit a couple months ago, and we're here to show the world what we can do because we think we do some pretty awesome, amazing things, and we also think that the people of CES will agree. I'm running into things. Where am I going? This way. I'm going this way. So also we kind of wanted to show you what setup for CES looks like. Of course, everyone's already mostly set up since it is the last day and the show opens in like 12 hours, but kind of fun. I'm gonna get hit by something. So we've been making videos for a while, but we're now becoming your one-stop Makerspace shop for all of your Makerspace needs. And what that means is that we're formalizing our STEM curriculum so that it's applicable in a classroom and ties in with educator resources. We're opening that up to classroom kits so that you can take our videos and actually physically build them both in your classroom but also at home if you want to with your child. And those are available on our website. So for example, you've seen our hand drill project. You can now get a kit of Hercules and do it with a bunch of kids. For more complicated projects, like for example, you don't know what tools to buy for your new makerspace, you don't know how to lay out your space, how do you do curriculum, really custom work, we're offering Makerspace Consulting, and that can be done in direct contact with both Andrew and myself. One of the things I'm really excited about for 2019 is an equipment leasing program. And why wouldn't you just buy the equipment? Well, a lot of schools can't afford to make a commitment to buy 10 3D printers to use in a classroom or to buy 30 Arduinos so that there can be a programming unit or an electronics unit. So basically what we do is we take enough equipment for 30 students for 1 month in a classroom, package it up into a box, mail it to a teacher for a month. When they finish the unit, the pre-made STEM curriculum unit, they pack it back up to us, ship it back to us, we refurbish it and send it off to the next school. So it's like sharing the love in electronics form. So another thing that I think is really valuable, although it involves me writing, and I really hate writing, I like talking because I'm better at that, but anyway, is we are writing tool reviews, and not your conventional reviews, but the 3 metrics that we're really focusing on are inclusive design. So for example, I have really small hands. Does it give me hand cramps? Not because I'm not strong or because I don't know how to use a tool, but because it's truly not designed for someone my size. So inclusive design and durability, which is of course really important when you have hundreds of people using your tools every day. And the last one is user interface. Is it simple to figure out how to charge the batteries? Is it simple to figure out how to use the 3D printer software? Stuff like that. So instead of, this works for me in my garage, it's will this work for you in your makerspace? Last thing we're going to quickly cover is that we did this in beta in 2018 and we really liked it, is custom video content. So if you have a makerspace that you really need someone to make a video about your safety guidelines, an introduction to the space and how to use it, or you want genuinely custom tutorials for every single one of your tools in your makerspace, that's something that we can do. And we will go on site into your space for a couple days and film everything there, so it can be completely custom to you. That is the most expensive option, is to fly us out, but we can also try to find the tool in Cleveland and film it there. And there's a bunch of options, and more information on that is available on our website. All right, can I do the fun stuff now? Yeah? Okay, so see all these cardboard tools? Yeah, we made all of these cardboard tools and it was really, really fun, and I want to show them to you. And we're not actually going to make a video or a tutorial per se on how to make cardboard tools because it's mostly hot glue, but we are going to put the files on our website to make up for the lack of video. So we have a soldering iron, which has, your sponge or iron, the yarn as the wire. And it slides right in like a normal soldering iron, although this one doesn't get as hot, which is kind of a bummer. Maybe not a bummer. It would totally catch on fire, actually, in hindsight. We have a Dremel. And by the way, you'll notice 2 styles of these, and actually there's a split. So Andrew did all of these ones that have this cool interlocking sliced pattern. And we'll actually put the software that we use to make those in the description below. And then all of the flat pack ones, so things that are faces, I just designed in Adobe Illustrator. So we have a combination square, screwdriver, a wrench, another screwdriver. We have this dope drill press, which totally looks like a drill press. Here, I'll show you the other side. Drill press. We have a jigsaw. Also, let us know what your favorite cardboard tools are in the description below. Also, let us know what your favorite cardboard tools are in the description below, because low-key, it's a competition. Andrew designed half of these and I designed half of these. Vote for me. Anyway, we have this cute little sewing machine, and there is a needle there. I really hope that nobody stabs themselves during CES. Oh well, not our problem. We have a cardboard 3D printer, and we threw a little bit of our school spirit in there with the yarn filament. A laser cutter, and it does in fact open, although I did a bad job hot gluing it, so I broke it. It wasn't me.
You think you're getting votes?
I am. Look it, it's a laser cutter, it's a 3D printer, yay! I guess it's cardboard. I could touch the lens if I wanted to, but then Andrew would actually kill me.
This is what would happen. Slowly close the camera on you. I can also make it like this now.
Ready? Ready? Doop, doop, doop. Oh wait. Yes, I forgot. Yay.
Got the good ASMR with cardboard grinding on itself.
And a hand drill. So all of the things that we do are to add color to your makerspace. How can we make your space and your world more diverse and inclusive and engaging and exciting for all of the children and adults alike that use it? Signing off from day one, I guess day 0, because today is the last setup day, so tomorrow, yeah, 1 minus 2. Day 0 of CES. This is Zyla and Andrew behind the camera. Wait, last note. If you or someone you know, maybe like a family member or a friend, whatever, works at a company that would like to either sponsor a video or bring us into your makerspace to film things, but most importantly wants to make a donation for our equipment leasing program, please let us know. There is a link in the description below to a contact form on our website, and that would be spectacular, or stop by our booth, which is 51542 at Eureka Park. 51542 at Eureka Park, which is Sands Expo Hall G. Haha, I got that one. Oh no, I can see it when you zoom in on me like that.